Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. So this morning, today is a beautiful day. I'm on my way to work and I just decided to talk because this 2022 has I don't know how to describe it, but we still give God the glory. Well, a lot of people has faced a lot of challenges in 2022, especially people in Africa, Nigeria precisely. They have faced a lot of insecurity, poverty. Things are very hard. Things became expensive. A lot of things. A lot of people lost their life. And if you're alive today, you should give glory to God. Like, there's so many people that we started 2022 with, and they are not here today. Some died on the 1st of January 2022. Some died December 1st. Some died other months in 2022. But here we are alive. I just say, let me just tell you that whatever you could not achieve in 2022, you can continue in 2023. Yeah, that is life. I'm just trekking to work. See snow here. So yeah, so that's what I said. Let me just encourage you, keep trying, be motivated, move forward in 2023, and I believe you achieve all you could not achieve in 2022. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. I love you guys. Yeah, I'm coming.
Surprising.
Yeah, present. 79.
Oh yeah, busy again.
It's now 50%.
Oh free yeah.
If of 79, oh yeah, busy 30, 13 something. 39.
You can price it. From the millionaires and
Olenka. Let me see.
that's the phone.
Indian pamphlet. One is in me already. You know, it's going to get me wrong.
Not Jeff.
Yes.
That
Thank you.
It's your bread, garlic naan.
okay.
Thank you.
America. What's it? Yeah.
2,000 years later.
Happy New Year! Finally, we have entered beautiful 2023. Happy New Year, everyone! I'm wishing you guys God's blessings and grace. I'm super happy. Like, we are on our way to church. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later.
'Cause it doesn't make sense to me. I will tell you no way to happen. Don't make sense. Don't make sense.
Record me, I need that. I join. I say me record me where.
Make it come down me.
Go back again.
No, yeah, you got everything.
He carry everything.
No, going back.
Yeah.
I think I need talk.
Yeah. Say whenever you reach Africa, you leave all in shoe, all in bag, all in cloth, you leave and back
Now food you want.
Yeah,
Now food,
only food.
only that time. Every other things you are doing cannot be there's no way you can be yourself until you do that thing. You can never be yourself again. You know?
I mean, even look at Michael here. Look at how Michael is dressed up.